Welcome, DIY enthusiasts and bird lovers. Are you ready to bring some chirpy joy to your backyard? Today we're crafting a delightful bird feeder using just three simple ingredients: unflavored gelatin, cookie cutters, and bird seed. Join me as we transform ordinary kitchen staples into a delightful treat for our feathered friends. Let's get creative and watch the birds flock to our handmade goodies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this fun and easy project. Once you've gathered all the materials you will need, you want to start by taking 2 packets of unflavored gelatin and putting it into your bowl. Take a half a cup of lukewarm water, add it, and stir thoroughly until it is completely dissolved. We're now going to take a half a cup of boiling water and add that to our mixture, stirring it very well. Next step, you want to go ahead and add 5 cups of birdseed. Put your mixture in and stir it well until all of the seeds are coated. Placing your cookie cutters on a sheet of wax paper, you want to spoon the birdseed mixture into the cookie cutters. You want to be sure that you're pressing down firmly so that you can pack it in nice and tight. Once you have all of your cookie cutters filled, we're just going to go ahead and make sure they're all pressed down firmly. Here I'm just inserting a dowel rod. You could use a straw if you'd like. This will create a hole for hanging the bird feeder later. Once you have everything in place, you want to allow the bird seed to dry and set overnight. So just place them in your refrigerator, wait overnight, and it's time for them to come out of their mold. So pushing them out of the mold and then twisting the dowel rod out of place, we have our hole for hanging, and we're going to go ahead and string it. So I'm using a piece of twine here. You could use any kind of string really. And go ahead and give it a nice light tie, and it'll be ready to go outside and be put into place. And there you have it, our beautiful DIY bird feeders hanging proudly in the trees. Not only have we created something unique and fun, but we've also given our feathered friends a special treat to enjoy. I hope you had as much fun making these bird feeders as I did. Don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects and ideas. Happy bird watching and see you in the next video.